Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Today I'm about to share something that might sound like science fiction, but it's 100% real. I built a business. From scratch. Using artificial intelligence. No coding. No team. No huge budget. Just me, a laptop, internet, and the power of AI. What I'm about to share with you is the exact blueprint of how I used free and cheap AI tools to go from idea to income. And the best part? You can do it too. Even if you've never started a business in your life. Even if you don't have a tech bone in your body. Even if you feel stuck, broke, or tired of watching everyone else win. Let me take you back a bit. It started with frustration. I was watching reels and shorts of people making money online while I was juggling too many things, trying to stay afloat. And I kept thinking, how are they doing it? Do they have secret knowledge? Insider connections? Turns out, the real game changer wasn't luck. It was leverage. They were using tools that multiplied their time, their creativity, and their execution. And those tools were powered by AI. That's when it hit me like a lightning bolt. I had access to those tools too. I just hadn't been using them smartly. Yet. So I made a decision that day. I would build a business using nothing but AI in my hustle. No excuses. No waiting. Just action. And here's how it all unfolded. Step 1 was finding the idea. I didn't want to sell random junk or jump on every trend. I wanted something sustainable, useful, and exciting. So I opened up ChatGPT and typed in this one simple question: give me 10 profitable business ideas using AI. Within seconds, I had a list that would have taken hours to brainstorm. That's the beauty of AI, it doesn't replace your creativity, it multiplies it. Out of those 10, one idea caught my eye. An AI-powered content agency. I thought, okay, I don't need to write all the content myself. I can use ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and a few other tools to automate the whole process. I could offer blog writing, social media posts, logos, branding kits, voice scripts, all without hiring a single employee. So I ran with it. Next, I needed a brand. Instead of spending days brainstorming names and slogans, I went straight to AI again. ChatGPT helped me generate names, and then I used Looker to design a logo. 5 minutes later, boom, I had a brand identity. Then came the website. Normally this would take weeks and hundreds of dollars, but I used durable.co, an AI website builder, to create a clean landing page in less than an hour. No code. No stress. Just click, drag, tweak, and go. Now I needed services and pricing. I asked AI to generate a list of packages. Basic, Premium, and Deluxe. Each offering a combination of deliverables, blogs, visuals, content calendars, even voiceovers. I even used ChatGPT to write the sales copy for my website. I wanted it to sound professional, warm, and trustworthy. And honestly, the results were better than half the expensive copywriters I'd worked with before. That's when I really felt the power of what I was building. This wasn't just an idea anymore. It was becoming real. Then came the marketing. Here's where it gets even more fun. I used AI to schedule and create content. I had ChatGPT write my captions. I used Canva's AI tools to design posts. I even used Pictory to make video content from blog snippets. I posted consistently for 1 week and joined a few freelancer communities, shared my offer, and pitched my services. Within 10 days, I landed my first client. I charged $120 for a starter content package. Not a life-changing amount, but remember, most of the work was automated. That $120 felt like magic. And it gave me proof of concept. From there, I kept building. I improved my service quality. Added automations. Learned how to connect tools using Zapier and Notion AI. I started getting referrals. I created case studies. And within 3 months, I had 4 consistent clients, each paying between $150 and $300 per month. Do the math, that's $1,000 plus per month from a business I started with zero investment, just brainpower, drive, and I didn't need to hire. I didn't need a physical office. I didn't burn out. I built systems that worked while I slept. And here's the deeper truth. I didn't just build a business, I built confidence. I proved to myself that I could win. That I didn't need to wait for someone to hand me a job, a raise, or an opportunity. I could create it. And that mindset shift is worth more than any paycheck. That's what I want for you too. You might be watching this thinking you're not ready. That you need more time. More skills. More money. But let me tell you, all of that is just fear dressed in logic. You're ready right now. The tools are free or dirt cheap. The knowledge is everywhere. And the only thing standing between you and success is action. You can literally start today. You can start an AI agency, a YouTube automation channel, an ebook publishing empire, an AI-powered newsletter, a digital design studio. The possibilities are endless. You just have to pick one lane and move. Don't overthink. Don't overplan. Just start. Because starting is the most powerful move you can make. Let me give you some clarity. AI isn't the future. It's the present. And those who learn to use it will build wealth faster than ever before. This is the biggest shift since the internet. This is your .com boom. This is your gold rush. And the gold isn't hidden, it's out in the open. All you need is the shovel. And I'm handing it to you. Listen. I didn't come from wealth. I didn't have a mentor holding my hand. I had to fight through confusion, self-doubt, and mistakes. But I kept showing up. I kept learning. I kept building. And eventually, the pieces came together. So wherever you are right now, working a job you hate, studying something you don't love, struggling to make ends meet, I want you to know you can build something better. You can create your own financial freedom. You can build a business that runs on your terms, that gives you time, purpose, and peace. And I'll be right here cheering you on. This channel isn't just about money. It's about power. The power to own your life. To escape the rat race. To build something meaningful. Something yours. So if you're ready to take control, to build a business from scratch using AI, then welcome to the movement. Join the community. Subscribe. Comment below what business idea you're going to try. And let's build together. This is Fahaam, signing off with a reminder, you don't need permission to win. You just need the courage to start. The AI is ready. The world is watching. And your future? It's waiting. So go build it.